Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. So in today's video I am going to share with you a review of two products which is from Frenura brand. So today here I have vitamin C face wash and other one I have retinol 0.5% face cream. So first let's talk about Frenura vitamin C face wash. So it is for all skin type and it has 0 parabens, 0 SLS and 0 silicone. It is a refreshing face wash cleanser that cleanses the skin and make it feel hydrated and exfoliated. It helps in removing the blemishes and even the skin tone. It makes the face glow and brightens the skin. So it is a foaming face wash and before using this must perform a patch test and leave for few minutes, and if you feel some irritation then just discontinue this. So now let's see that how to use it. Just wet your face and neck with normal water and after that pump out the foaming face wash and massage gently over the face and neck to remove impurities and rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. So after face wash, let's move on the Frenura Retinol 0.5% face cream. It comes with vitamin E and soya bean extract. It also has 0 parabens, 0 SLS and 0 silicone. It is a powerful anti-aging face cream which is packed with retinol and antioxidant coenzymes. It contains retinol which reduces the appearance of fine lines and the general appearance of skin aging. Retinol is proven to fade lines and wrinkles, even skin tone and smoothen the skin. It increases collagen production, helps unclog pores, gently exfoliate the skin and gives the skin fresher plump appearance. So now let's see that how to use it. Take an adequate amount of cream and apply evenly on your face and neck and gently massage with fingertips to absorb. So that's all in this video today. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such informative videos. And if you also want to purchase these तो जो भी लिंक्स वगैरह हैं वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. आप वहाँ से जाके इनको परचेज कर सकते हो. मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही हूँ, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. सो बाय बाय.